is a 4840 Skidsteer. It's a John Deere tractor name also, 4840, 4640, 4440, you know. Oh well, I'm gonna get off John Deere because I don't really like them. But yeah, take off your attachments. You're gonna flip both these levers up, put it down your bucket, and then they'll come off. It's an all-wheel drive always, so it has track tires. Exhaust. Alright, put in your gas, and then you lift this. Gosh, let's step up here and see if we can do that again. Alright. Oh god. Oh, man, stay up. Okay, it is. Alrighty. Well, you got your oil, you can check your oil and all that good stuff. Your engine's all back here. I have no idea what the heck any of this stuff is, so don't ask me really at all. I just know what the hydraulics is. Shoot, that thing going over the light. But yeah, you're putting in your gas. On, whatever you call it. There we go. Now we'll hop on in here. If I can get the foot up. Got little bars. You got these bars. See how we get up? Those bars right there, and these bars are right. Those bars right there. Sun's shining. Look. You got a little pin right there, which this thing doesn't pull anything, so I don't know why the pin's there, but oh well. It's almost triple thing, but alrighty. Okay. I got all, I don't know what these two things are down there. Look at this, there's two little presses. Then you got your, when you want to move, if you want to turn, go straight, you're going to push this one forward, and this one forward. If you want to go backwards, pull that one backwards, and this one backwards. Turn right, pull back, forward, go backward, forward. All your gauges and stuff right here, key, lights, parking brake and all that good stuff, air conditioning, seat belt. Yeah, in order to start, you have to pull this down, hook yourself, fasten the seat belt, which I ain't gonna do that because I'm not starting this stupid thing up. So you can see there's supposed to be a front door here, but that's not. But yeah, that's it for the 4840 Skidsteer. Hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys. Thank you for watching.